In last lecture, we discussed about all the journal entries format in the books of drawer and drawee. Now, as I already told you that this topic is totally based on journal entries, but sometimes they may ask you one ledger, like in the books of or in the ledger of drawer they may ask you drawee's account, or in the ledger of drawee you have to prepare drawer's account. So at that time there is no need to pass journal entries and directly you can prepare the ledger. How to prepare this? For this is the ideal format of ledger. First we see in the ledger of drawer drawee's account. You already studied how to prepare ledger in 11th standard. So I think that you know something about the ledger. In ledger, left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. Then wherever in the journal entries in the books of drawer, drawee's name is there, only those entries we post in ledger. Here first entry, first transaction in the books of drawer start with credit sales. Now when we are going to see this ledger format, you must have your journal entry format in front of you, which you already take down from my previous lecture. So keep open that journal entry format and accordingly you come to know how to prepare the ledger. Now from those journal entries format, follow only journal entries in the books of drawer. When you go through all the journal entries in the books of drawer, first entry in the books of drawer, journal entry, is that of credit sales or purchase. Credit sales. What is the entry in the books of drawer? Entry in the books of drawer is drawee's account debit to sales account. So posting drawee's account debit. So debit side of drawee's account we write to sales account. For what? Credit sales. And whenever the problem start with bill drawn and accepted, at that time you have to write balance, to balance brought down. The next entry is for bill drawn and accepted. Entry in the books of drawer is bills receivable account debit to drawee's account. To means credit side of drawee's account we write by bills receivable account. This entry is for bill drawn and accepted. Then next entry, options used by drawer. For options used, first option retaining the bill. There is no need to pass any entry, so no posting is there. Second, discounting. Entry is cash or bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. For endorsing the bill, endorsee's account debit to bills receivable account. And for bill sent to bank for collection, entry is bill sent to bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account. So here drawee's name is not there. As drawee's name is not there, there will be no posting in drawee's account. For what? For options used by drawer. After that, next is serial number 5. That is what? Dishonor of the bill. Check the entries in the books of drawer. First entry is retain bill dishonor. Drawee's account debit to bills receivable account. Next is discounted bill dishonor. Drawee's account debit to bank. Next, drawee's account debit to endorsee's account. And bill sent to bank for drawee's account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. So in case of dishonor, drawee's account get debited. That's why I wrote here in ledger to bills receivable or bank or endorsee or bill sent to bank for collection. This is for bill dishonor. After that, noting charges. Entry in the books of drawer, if drawer paid the noting charges, drawee's account debit to cash or bank account. So here posting is in the debit side of drawings account to cash or bank account. If noting charges paid by bank, then entry drawings account debit to bank. That's why again we have to write here to bank. If paid by endorsee, drawings account debit to endorsee's account. For what? Noting charges receivable or noting charges charged. After that, next entry is for part payment, that is renewal is there. Part cancellation of the bill. Cancellation means nothing but dishonor only. So same. Then after that, part payment or interest charged is there. For interest charge, drawings account debit to interest account. So here again debit side we wrote to interest account for interest charge. The next entry is for part payment received. Entry in the books of drawer is cash or bank account debit to drawees account for part payment. The new bill drawn and accepted. Bills receivable account debit to drawees account. New bill drawn and accepted. Both are in credit side of drawees account. Postings. After that, next case we discussed in journal entry format is insolvency or bankruptcy. For insolvency, again what? New bill dishonor entry must be passed. For that again in drawees account, depends on the case. If retain is there, then we have to write two bills receivable. If discounted, to bank. If endorsed, to endorsee. If bill sent to bank for collection, bill sent to bank for collection. This is what? For new bill dishonor. After that, final settlement is there. Entry for that in the books of drawer, cash or bank account debit, bad debts account debit to drawees account. So in case here, credit side we write by cash or by bad debts account for final settlement. Then for retirement, entry in the books of drawer is cash or bank account debit, rebate account debit, to bills receivable. Again, drawee's name is not there, so there will be no posting. So from this, we can draw the conclusion for that for options, honor and retirement, there will be no posting in the ledger. No posting. No entry is not there, no posting in the books of drawer. And for rest of the entries there will be some or the other effects in the books in the ledger of drawing. How to understand this particular ledger in a very easy format, that I will tell you in next video. Thank you.